year where they could have lost along the way to Indiana or to Boston. They found a way.
Well, they always talked about the experience. That was the ultimate feature for them. Meanwhile, let's, again, a quick back look at the Oklahoma City Thunder. What a fabulous year. It's such a great young team. It's just another step. They may just not have been ready right now, but you know they're going to be a force for a number of years, especially if they keep this entire core together.
You know, I think a lot of people will go back and say in revisionist history that they weren't experienced enough. I don't think it was that. I thought they just met up against another great team who made 2 or 3 more plays games 2 through 4 than they did. And then unfortunately, they got hit with the haymaker tonight with all those 3-point shots.
The fine line between winning and losing in this league is certainly evident in games 2, 3, and 4. And the Heat won 3 straight then, and of course finished off with 4 straight wins to win the championship. As for Miami, again, their core is going to be together. Might have some tweaks. Well, they're certainly a team, you know, we can joke about it now when we talk about that they could win multiple championships. Getting the first one, it's going to be hard. Coming back again, but they're going to be in the thick of things for a number of years.
Well, there's no doubt. Their challenge, obviously, is to remain hungry, remain humble, and keep playing to the standard they set in these playoffs. And that's not easy because injuries can come into it. A lot of things can happen. And so that's why you have to make the most of your opportunity.
We think so much about LeBron James, and rightfully so, but so much help that he had, especially tonight, whether it's Mike Miller or Shane Battier or Mario Chalmers or Norris Cole. So many players contributed. Miller with the 7 3-pointers. Well, the Miami Heat are the NBA champions. And so many people to thank. And we have all season long. Talk about sacrifice and hard work. They are the epitome of that. So for Jeff Van Gundy, for our sports producer Tim Corrigan, director Jimmy Moore, and this great crew we're honored to work with, Mike Briggs. Thanks for watching our coverage of the NBA Finals. Coming up next, it's your late local news, Nightline, and Jimmy Kimmel Live over most of these ABC stations. On the West Coast, it's Jimmy Kimmel Heat Night. Now, after these messages, we'll be back with one final look at the Miami Heat